What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs, and behind me I have a 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat that we just got done lifting. If you guys are looking to get your truck lifted and see what wheels and tires or what lift kit to go with, you should definitely check out this one that we did. To start off, I'm gonna go over the lift kit that we added, which is gonna be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. This one is the strut spacer combo, so this one's gonna have the spacer that goes right above the strut with your factory strut, that is, and help raise the front up, raise the back up as well, and give it a nice leveled look, but also a nice taller stance as well. If you guys want, you can also upgrade to a lifted strut. If you guys have a truck that has a little bit more miles on it, you can get a completely new strut, which will pretty much give new life to your struts and give you a nicer ride quality. But if you want to go with the best ride quality you can get the Vertex shocks with the rough country lift kit, which is going to be the adjustable coilovers. That one's going to give you overall just a better ride quality. With our lift, we do have to do a little bit of trimming with our wheel and tire setup right here on this plastic bumper, right below the actual metal bumper. Just a little bit of trimming there so you're not getting any rubbing. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Bridge Grappler. So this one is going to be the hybrid tire. It's a mix between the mud terrain and all terrain tire. So it's going to give you a little bit of a progressive look, but also you're going to have a nice long wear life and a nice quiet ride on the road as well. Down here we have a 22 by 12 fuel stroke. This one's going to have the -44 offset, which really gives you a pretty nice size lip. Push that wheel and tire package, the face of the wheel in, and push that wheel and tire package out as well, giving you about 4 inches of offset sticking out past the fenders. What I really like about this wheel is the design of it. It has a lot of unique lines going on, giving it more of an aggressive look. It's not a flashy wheel that's all chrome. It's not going to stand out in that way, but it is going to stand out just because of the pattern of the spokes. If you guys like this wheel, it does come in multiple different sizes, which is going to be listed down below. So if you guys have any questions about that, you can definitely check that out there. Also, going back to the tire, there's different models that you can go with. If you want something that's more aggressive, you can go with the mud terrain tire, which is going to be the Nitto Trail Grappler. It's going to give you a more aggressive look, more off-road feel. And then you also have your all-terrain tire, which is going to be the Nitto Trail Grappler G2, which is definitely going to give you a more of a all-terrain look, but also is going to give you just a little bit better of a tread life as well. So overall, this is a very good package for this truck. So if you guys like it, you can definitely check out the link below, and that can give you 0% financing and all the information you can need to get your truck lifted.